So we have a special guest today. Hello.
Hello. I have special phone.
Yeah.
I have special phone.
That's your special phone? My special guest has a special phone. So I thought I had canceled our toucan crate.
I push buttons.
Okay, you push your buttons. And it turns out I paused it. So we have another one, which is not all bad because it's a lot of fun. And we really like playing with it. So, should we open it up and see what's inside? Open it up. Let's get making. And it's Halloween themed. Yeah, a ghost piñata. Ooh, it like pops up. It looks like a... You want to make that ghost? It does. It totally does pop up. Cool. It's like a little pop-up lamp. So it's a paper lampshade. How fun. So it's not the kind of piñata that you hit. It's the kind... Hey, excuse me. Thank you. Wait. Let's be patient. It's the kind with the pull string, so you can pull it to get the sweeties out. And you want the Halloween stickers? With little spiders. So there's also a dress up. There's a spooky bat dress up. How fun. Yes, spooky dress. How very cute. So it is wings and a mask. And it includes an echolocation game, which is so fun if you have multiple littles or you're hanging out with friends. What do you think? Are you melting? What are you doing? And it is so cute. It actually feels a lot more sturdy. No. Then you cannot reach. Then the last one, and it includes the clips, some glitter glue, and even like the dauber and such. That's one thing I really like about... You want the glitter glue? Yeah. That's one thing I really like about the toucan sets. Hey, I'm talking. I'm talking. Yeah. Is that they contain basically everything you need. Occasionally you will need like a scissors or something like that, but very rarely do they not include like even the basics like glue and tape. They're really good about that. So then there's also a little booklet each time. I will include the little discount code. If I remember, I will put it here. Let's wave our arms so we remember. Can you wave your arms? There we go. Okay. So then you can get one as well for half off. And then just talks to you about how everything is STEAM based. So we work with science and technology and engineering and art and mathematics. Yeah, engineering. So these are the cute pictures that other people have colored. Yeah. There's some cool recipes for some slime. Do you like slime?
Yep.
Yeah. Do you like slime? And they usually have a food recipe too. Oh, and a separate mask you can cut out and color. And oh, there's a little story. I really like when they include little comics and stories. Some more coloring. So this one, what's the box rated for? I know it's supposed to start at like 3 years old. Is it 3 to 6, 3 to 8? I'll double check. But it is for younger kids, which is not this young. Bo just turned 2 in September, but She does really well on a lot of the crafts and projects and gives us something to do together, which is really fun and really gets her brain moving. And that's all I have for y'all. I hope you like this unboxing. I'm really excited to play with them, and that's all I've got, okay? I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That was good saying bye. Well done.